In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop auction on Whatnot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to view every auction item a seller is offering so you can shop confidently and efficiently. Start by opening Whatnot in your web browser or the app and give the homepage a second to load. This is your hub for discovering live shows, trending categories, and featured sellers. If you plan to make a purchase, it helps to have your account details ready so checkout is smooth. But for now, we're focusing on finding and viewing auction items. From the home page, take a moment to browse. You can explore categories that match your interests or use the search bar to find specific niches and sellers. As you browse, glance at seller profiles. You'll often see follower counts, ratings, and brief descriptions that hint at what they specialize in. This quick scan helps you zero in on sellers who consistently offer the kinds of items you want. When you find a seller that looks promising, select their profile or show to open it. If the seller is currently live, you'll enter their stream. You'll typically see the video front and center with a panel of controls and navigation around it. The layout can vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but the key elements are the same. Inside the livestream interface, look toward the left-hand panel on desktop or a visible navigation area on mobile. You're looking for the section labeled Auction. This is the dedicated spot where sellers organize the items they're running or plan to run during the show. Click Auction to open that view. Once you're in the auction section, all of the seller's auction items will appear in a neatly organized list or grid. Take your time here. Each item usually shows a thumbnail photo, a title, and essential details like the current bid or starting price, whether it's queued or actively running, and any brief notes from the seller. This view is perfect for planning what you want to watch closely during the stream. If an item is live, you'll see activity indicators. If it's coming up, you can keep an eye on the order so you don't miss it. Use the chat in the stream to listen for the seller's descriptions and to hear clarifications about condition, shipping, or bundle deals. That's it. Go to Whatnot, browse for a seller you like, enter their live stream, open the auction section, and review every item in one place. Happy auction shopping!